Sterile manufacturing. Qualification. Content. Purpose. Qualifications. Requalification. Interval for qualifications. Closing remarks. Purpose. To ensure clean rooms and clean air equipment used for sterile product manufacturing meet required environmental cleanliness levels to minimize contamination risk. Qualification. Objective. Assess compliance of clean rooms and clean air equipment with intended use. Tests to include installed filter system leakage and integrity testing, airflow tests, volume and velocity, air pressure difference test, airflow direction test and visualization, microbial airborne and surface contamination, temperature measurement test, relative humidity test, recovery test, containment leak test. Requalification. Objective. Periodically ensure continued compliance of clean rooms and clean air equipment. Required tests. Cleanroom classification, total particle concentration, integrity test of final filters, airflow volume measurement, verification of air pressure difference between rooms, air velocity test. When to requalify. After remedial actions for out-of-compliance conditions. After changes to equipment, facility, or processes. Following specific changes such as interruption of air movement, design changes, or special maintenance. Interval for requalification. Grade A and B areas. Maximum 6 months. Grade C and D areas. Maximum 12 months. Closing remarks. Maintaining proper qualification and requalification processes for cleanrooms and clean air equipment is critical for ensuring the safety and efficacy of sterile products. Regular monitoring and adherence to defined procedures help mitigate risks and maintain high standards of cleanliness and control in sterile manufacturing environments. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com.